Latest on the transfer news. Amathemu amaningi ayathenga. Engabe yakhe team iyathenga. So ngizoqala nje ngeteam ephuma number 2 last season kwiBetway Premiership okuyiMamelodi Sundowns efuna umdlali waseBrazil. Lo mdlali lo bafethu currently umjida uyi-free agent ubedlalela iEsperance. Umjida ke ubekhojwa ubani na? uMiguel Cardoso. uMiguel Cardoso uyamazi kakhulu lo mjida lo udlala le eSwiss. Kuthiwa ke Orlando Pirates have made contact with uJan Sase with a potential move to join iMamelodi Sundowns kulona leli windi esikulona. Singesazi ke indaba ziningi njengamanje. iMamelodi Sundowns ke they need new midfielders because kungenzeka balahlekelwe ubani na Otebogo Mokoena banayo Allende. But ke yena umjida kungenzeka ijoin iMamelodi Sundowns, everything ikhona, imali ikhona, ubudlelwane with uMiguel Cardoso bukhona, yabo bajwayelene. So iMamelodi Sundowns might sign this Brazilian. Yabo, everything is written for in the stars for iMamelodi Sundowns. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje, Stellies announced ubani na their new signing okubani okuthabiso lebitso from iOrlando Pirates okuyi-team eyawina iBetway Premiership kule season esiphuma kuyo. Kuthiwa ke umjida he joins iStellies on a 3-year deal plus 2-year option ukuthi ke umjida uma edlale kahle there is an option ukuthi ke aqhubeke for another 2 years with iStellies. I hope umjida uzofika adlale kahle lapha kwiStellenbosch. Stellenbosch siloke silanda sichitha izinto ayikaze zibe kahle ever since balahla ucoach wabo wabasusa lezansi. But ke singesazi ukuthi ke izinto izomhambela kanjani. Let's hope ama injuries awamhluphi kakhulu because I know for a fact a player like uThabiso Lebitso is always injured. Yabo, I hope umjida he remains injury free in his contracts with iStellies. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu kubalandeli bebhola abathanda ibhola bahlala le eBloemfontein. iBloemfontein ke bafethu izolahlekelwa iclub njengamanje iMarumo Gallants izomove from iBloemfontein iye le eRustenburg. Remember ke eRustenburg bekhona iOrbit College, but ke iOrbit College they've went back to NFD. So njengoba bebuyele ku-NFD they need a club edlala kwiBetway Premiership ukuthi ke sakaze ibhola bazoboka ibhola. So a team like iMarumo Gallants, which is very very confusing because iMarumo yale ingase eLimpopo if I'm not mistaken. iMarumo yale eLimpopo, but ke they are going to play their football in Northwest. Asazi, but ke bafethu kulabo abangakwezwa Marumo Gallants will relocate iye le Rustenburg. They are going to play their home games le eRustenburg. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile amakhosi bafethu they are extending their contracts with uBruce Bvuma. Umjida ke contract yakhe izo expire kuyona lenyanga le. Umjida ke uzokhuphulelwa icontract 1 year. So icontract yakhe iyoze expire next year ngoJune. Umjida will remain the longest serving player osekwadlalela iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo, uzowenza nje ihistory ngempela. If enza kahle kule season esiya kuyona umjida kungenzeka futhi ke icontract yakhe irenew. Singisazi phela ke iKaizer Chiefs basengenza noma yini. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu the former AmaZulu player kuba now Eden Brooks umjida ke ngenzeka abuyele eSouth Africa regarding iclub ade idlalela le phesheya. Umjida thiwa ke uneyinkinga with yona iclub with indaba zokuthi ke abamkhokheli ngenzeka abuye eSouth Africa. Ngisazi ukuthi ke akhona inama team umjida asengawa approacher ashaya ama-trial khona assign. Yabo, singisazi but ke umjida might return back to South Africa. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu Cape Town City have reached agreement with their former midfielder okuXhosa Manyana. They decided to part ways with their midfielder obedlalela iKaizer Chiefs. He was on loan with iKaizer Chiefs. Umjida ke currently use free agent because iKaizer Chiefs decide ukuthi ke bangamsayini on a permanent move. So currently uyi-free agent. Singesazi ukuthi ke ngabakhona ama-team akhona kuBetway Premiership asengama-approacher singesazi. But ke isakuzona nje indaba zamaloni. Umdlali weDurban City FC uEmmanuel Jalai umjida ngenzeka ayojoina iZimbabwean club iScotland FC with a 6 months loan. Let's hope umjida uzofika adlale khona impress khona ke iDurban City izombuyisa ayosimenta isikhala sakhe kuyona iDurban City. Iloku idedela nje iDurban City. Uzimasa ubhenja abadlali ababadedelile. They released 9 players okubani na okuFalakhe Tshanini, okuOdwa Nyulu, okuJocelyn Kamatuko, Onele Rulwane, uLindo Kuhle Chonco. Abajida ke baphelelwe icontracts. Kwasi ke labo ade bekwi-loan kuyona iDurban City abangawarenewanga ama-contract abo ababangasayinanga on a permanent. Terence Mashiho who is playing for iMamelodi Sundowns, uTairi Goteman umjida mase kuba uRonaldo Maman, uSphiwe Mahlangu. Abajida ke abasayinwanga on a permanent basayinangwa on a permanent transfer iyona iDurban City babadedelile nje ukuthi ke bahambe. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu Njabulo Ngcobo is being assessed by Iswelele FC. Umjida ujima neSwelele FC currently. Umjida uyi-free agent after esayine 1-year contract with Cape Town City last season. Ubezama ukuyisiza iCape Town City buyele kwiBetway Premiership, nako ke izinto ingahambi kahle begcina bebuyela back to iNFD. So currently Umjida he is being assessed by Iswelele FC. Let's hope izinto ihamba kahle Umjida ajoin iclub entsha kuyona iBetway Premiership. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile Omega Mdaka has joined AmaZulu on a permanent transfer from iSteelies. Remember ke Umjida, I think he was part of the players laba ba-released iSteelies. So Umjida usethole ikhaya elisha khona la eThekwini uzojoina inina AmaZulu FC. Let's hope uzozenzela igama lakhe athole imove kwiclub ekhona enkulu la kwiBetway Premiership, noma ke asimente igama lakhe kuyona iBetway Premiership by playing for AmaZulu, because AmaZulu in terms of ama-team amakhulu la eSouth Africa, AmaZulu is a big team, yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke uIme Okon Umjida u-attracta ama-club amakhulu akhona le e-Europe, yabo. Ama-club anjengo-Lyon, ama-club anjengo-Monaco, lama-club lawa bafethu adlala ko-Champions League. Khona ke nama-club ale ko-MLS njengo-Columbus Crew. Kuthiwa ke Umjida kungenzeka a-approach ngempela njengoba nje sikuyona le season le. Umjida uimpressile ngempela ku-World Cup, udlale kahle kakhulu. So lama clubs lawa afuna ukusayina each and every youngster abayibonayo kuBafana Bafana, because nabo uMfukeng nizwile ke indaba regarding uMfukeng uthi ke uMfukeng benayo osunapolice, kungenzeka abayishiya Orlando Pirates with uMfukeng efuna ile club le yayidlalelwa ubani na uPercy Tau back in Belgium. Mase ukuthi ke ubani na osunapolice afunwe ile club le edlala le ePortugal okuyiPorto eyayidlala lo Benny McCarthy before lawa wina khona iChampions League ecoachwa uJose Mourinho. So let's hope Abajida they get their moves bayodlala le Europe. Let's export more talent in these European leagues. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu ama-Tuks ba-strengthenisha isquad sabo. They've signed their new player okubani na okunhlanhla Mgaga, bamsayina on a 1-year deal Umjida ke. Let's hope uzofika futhi ke akhuphule izinga lakhe lokudlala, because siyamazi Umjida unayo experience, yabo. Njengoba nje enayo experience, let's hope uzokwazi ukuthi awasiza ama-Tuks basuke lapha ezansi babuyele kwiBetway Premiership. We've missed ama-Tuks bafethu ade sagcina kwabona. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje Mamelodi Sundowns have tied down a new contract for their striker okubani na uBennett Mokoena. uBennett Mokoena bafethu udlale kakhulu last season for Mamelodi Sundowns kwiDDC. It's a pity ukuthi ke kuzoba rare for yena Umjida ukuthi ke ayithole ithuba lokuthi ke represent iMamelodi Sundowns kuyona iFirst team, but ke udlale kahle kakhulu. Let's hope akhona ama-team amfunayo okungenzeka amsayine ale phesheya, but ke kuyona iBetway Premiership I don't think there are any teams azokwazi ke amthole kwiBetway Premiership, but yena Umjida udlale kahle kakhulu kwiDDC last season. Let's hope, yabo, that is all I'm saying. Let's hope uzolithola ithuba lakhe umfana omncane ayibonakalise, because we need strikers, yabo. Truth be told, as iBafana Bafana we need strikers. So if we have youngsters like these, they have to get opportunity to play the first team football, because if they are not getting that opportunity, then that means we don't have any strikers in the Betway Premiership. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu Pule Modi Umjida ngenzeke athole i-contract renewal naye kwiKaizer Chiefs. Remember Pule Modi bafethu naye i-contract yakhe ibizo expire, so he's another player ongenzeka athole another contract. Izona ke indaba lezi bafethu ke uma kukhona ngiyimisile wangitshela ama comments